Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel. Today's episode is from the Grooming Guru and I'm going to do something really fun with my skin today. We're going to talk about sheet masks. So what is a sheet mask? Why is it important for you? Why should guys use a sheet mask? And of course, how to use it. So I'm going to do a whole demonstration of the sheet mask. I've got my sheet mask right here. Okay. To put it very simply, what is a sheet mask? It's just a moisturizing mask that you put on your skin. It's got lots of nutrients and good stuff in it that really can benefit your skin a lot. How often do you use it? I like to use a sheet mask about once every 15 days. So you can use it once a week, you can use it once in 15 days, or just when your skin is looking really tired and affected by stress and pollution and everything. Now, I think this is really important to look for a charcoal product. I love charcoal products because they really react to my skin very well. Now, why is charcoal very important? And these days, all skincare specialists are talking about charcoal as an ingredient because it has this possibility, it has this capability rather to pull out all the dirt and pollution like how charcoal actually does, pulls it out of your skin. So charcoal is a great ingredient to look for when you are looking for skincare products. So I've got a mask here. This is what I've got. So I've got the Man Company's anti-pollution sheet mask. This is actually great for us who live in these cities and we're walking on the streets, going to work. There's so much pollution that gets stuck inside our skin that we don't even know. So it's got hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. What are the benefits of using a sheet mask like this? Firstly, charcoal will remove all the pollution and the dust and grime. It's also important to provide extra hydration. So it's got aloe vera. It smells really good. So it's got this super moisturizing. If your skin is dry and stretched even after a long flight. I've seen a lot of people actually mask on flights. You know, when you're lying down, you just put on a mask. So moisturizing for sure, giving a very nice kind of even complexion, and most importantly, it kind of instantly lifts up and gives your face this very fresh kind of look, which I really like. So I'm going to show you how to use the face mask. Now this one is really interesting because the Man Company has come out with the first mask in India which has two pieces. So normally there's one mask in this packet, you pull out the mask and you put it on your face, but this one has two pieces because it's for men with like muchi dadi and everything. So you can actually use it if you have a big thick beard and adjust it. So these two pieces make it really interesting and practical. But first I have to tell you, before I open this, I've actually washed my face very well. So before you start your whole masking procedure, make sure your face is really clean. Use a good face wash, give it a nice face wash and a scrub as well. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Okay, and it smells so good. Okay, so pull out the pieces. I'm actually going to just, so there are two pieces right here, and pull out the first piece. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's actually soaking in product, so you need to get your hands dirty and you have to find out how you're going to open it. It takes a while to open, but it's such fun. Okay, so this is the eyes part. Okay, so you put it up on your eyes, guys, and make sure you even it all out nicely, like how I'm doing. Okay, so I've actually put in, and make sure you stick it all in so the skin is exposed to all. My God, it smells so good. It smells really amazing. Okay, so I've actually stuck it, and now this is the second part which I'm going to open. And guys, please do it gently because very often I've actually, in my initial days of using masks, I've done it so roughly that I've actually torn the mask because it's very delicate. And make sure you don't let it drip too much. And this is what I have done. So the lower part, especially if you have a big beard or a muchi, it can actually adjust. So it's really practical. Okay, and yeah, so this contains the charcoal and the aloe vera, so I can actually feel this whole moisturizing effect, and I'm rubbing it nice and good so that all the nutrients soak in. And yeah, so guys, I just finished applying this mask, my charcoal mask, on my face, and normally what you would do is just go lie down and relax for about 15 minutes. You leave it on, occasionally rub it in, rub the edges in so that it doesn't kind of, the nutrients actually soak into your skin. This one smells so good, it's so relaxing, it really smells nice. So I'm gonna just chill for 15 minutes and I'm gonna take it off in a while and show you the results. So guys, I just spent 15 minutes lying down flat and I'm gonna take this out now. Okay, I'm gonna take off the mask, and it's very important when you take off your mask to not wash off the product that's on the mask. Let it all soak in and use your fingers. Make sure you have clean hands and clean fingers. Sanitize them first to push in all the excess moisture. How you can see my skin is looking positively fresher and feels nicer. I can actually tell the difference. Okay, and what I like to do, a nice interesting tip, is I like to seal it all in with a little bit of moisturizer. So guys, don't wash it, just use a little light moisturizer. So I'm using this 5 Super Light Moisturizer. Just put it and just dab it on, so you actually just seal in some extra moisturizer which will see you through the day. It's great to do this over the weekend, guys. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any more questions or comments, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you like this mask video, and of course if you have any skincare tips for me or videos, don't forget to tag me, leave me a comment, and till next time.